What is an SSL error and how can it be fixed?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue in web browsing, SSL errors. You might have stumbled upon an error message like, "This site's security certificate is not trusted," while trying to browse a website, which can be both confusing and frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to shed light on what these SSL errors are and, importantly, how to fix them.
What is SSL?
SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. It's a security protocol that encrypts the communication between your web browser and the server of the website you're visiting. By doing this, SSL ensures that all data passed between the two systems remains private and integral, which is particularly crucial when handling sensitive information like credit card numbers or personal details.
What is an SSL error?
An SSL error occurs when your browser has issues with the SSL certificate presented by the server. This can happen for various reasons, such as, the SSL certificate has expired. The SSL certificate doesn't match the site's domain. The SSL certificate isn't installed correctly. The SSL certificate was issued by an untrusted organization. When any of these issues occur, your browser will warn you about the problem and might even block your access to the site to protect your information.
How to fix an SSL error?
Now we get to the meat of the matter, how to fix these SSL errors. Here's a quick rundown. 1. Check your computer's date and time. If these are incorrect, they can interfere with the validation of SSL certificates. Make sure your system is set to the current date and time. 2. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, old data stored in your browser can cause SSL errors. Clearing your cache and cookies can often solve the issue. 3. Disable VPN and antivirus temporarily. Some VPN and antivirus software can interfere with SSL connections. Try disabling them momentarily to see if this fixes the error. 4. Update your browser. Make sure your browser is up to date. Some SSL errors may occur if you're using an older browser version that doesn't support newer SSL certificates. 5. Visit the site with a different browser. If the error persists, try accessing the site with a different browser. If the error doesn't appear on the new browser, the problem is likely with your original browser. Please note that you should only bypass SSL warnings if you are absolutely certain the website is safe and the issue is likely due to some technical glitch. In any case, don't input any sensitive information unless you're sure the SSL connection is secure. That's a wrap on SSL errors. Remember, these errors exist to protect you and your data. But now that you know what they are and how to fix them, they should be a little less daunting. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide has been helpful in your digital journey.